In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage Webflow form submissions. Start by opening the Webflow website. Once you're in your dashboard, move your cursor over the project you want to work on. When the project options appear, click Open in Webflow. This takes you into the designer for that site. Now go to the Pages panel on the left side. In the list of pages, click the Contact page so it loads on the canvas. You need the Contact page open because that is where the form is located. On the canvas, click the form one time to select it. After you click it, look at the Navigator and confirm that the selected element shows as form block. That tells you the full form block is selected, not just one individual field or button inside it. Next, go to the top right area of the designer and click the Settings tab in the right panel. In that Settings area, look for the Send To section. In this section, you should see Webflow as the destination. Under that, you should also see a row called Email Notifications. Click Email Notifications to expand the notification settings for this specific form. In the To field, enter the address that should receive new submissions. As you type, enter the full destination address carefully into that field. Move down to the Sender Name field. Type a clear sender name here. This is the name that will appear as the sender for the notification email, so enter that text directly into the field. Now go to the Reply To field. Click Add field, then choose the Email Form field. This sets replies to go to the submitter's email address instead of a fixed address. In the Subject field, type the subject line and include a dynamic variable. Enter the subject directly into the field so the notification can include changing form information automatically. Then go to the Body field. Click Add field and choose Form Data. This inserts the submitted form content into the body of the notification email, so every field the user submitted appears in the message. After that, click Apply to save the notification settings. Now you need to publish the site so these changes actually take effect. In the top right corner of the designer, click Publish. In the Publish window, tick the Webflow.io staging domain checkbox. Then click Publish to selected domains. Wait for the green confirmation to appear. This matters because notifications only send from published forms. So without publishing, the changes you made to the notification settings will not reach your inbox. Once publishing is complete, go to the top corner and click the Webflow logo to open the Site menu. From that menu, click Site Settings. Inside Site Settings, look to the left sidebar and click Forms. You will now see each form on the site listed by name along with a submission count. Find your form in that list and click it to open it. The panel for that form shows every submission as a row. In each row, you can view the submitted field values along with the date and the IP address. To review an individual submission, click any submission row. A side panel opens and shows all the field values for that specific entry. After viewing it, close the panel. At the top of the submissions list, click the Spam tab. Webflow automatically sends suspected spam into this area, and Cloudflare spam protection runs on every submission. If a real submission is landed here by mistake, select it and click Move to Submissions. If something in the main submissions list is actually spam, do the opposite from the Submissions tab. Then click the Submissions tab to go back to the main list. To export everything, stay on the Submissions tab and go to the top right of the list. Click Export All. After you do that, a CSV file will be emailed to your account. At this point, your form has a custom email notification set up. The site is published so those notifications can send, and you know where to view, review, sort, and export submissions inside Site Settings under Forms. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.